Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. Okay, so in my last video, we were looking at a target of around 3130, something like that. We actually just hit the target right now. So what I'm looking at is this resistance right here and this resistance right here. We have this horizontal kind of trend line, something like that. I think if we could break through this trend line right here, I'll be targeting from the top to the bottom of this channel, something like this, and we'll drag that to the breakout. We haven't broken out yet, but if we break out somewhere around here, maybe we can target approximately 3546. That lines up with this previous resistance zone somewhere up here. In general, I think if we could break out of this zone, we'll be looking to break into this zone up here. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now, and I'm looking at this 180 moving average coming in right here. This is sitting at around 3336, something like that. I'm kind of curious if we're gonna get resistance right here and we're gonna be able to break through that level right there. And the thing I do like though is if we go to the daily time frame, you can see we have this 9 moving average right here, this line right there. So we broke above it yesterday and we're still above it today with a green candle. It looks like we got some support on it. Let's see if we can keep getting support on this moving average. Hopefully it can help us move to the next level up. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, we were watching this resistance right here and this resistance right here. Until we break this trend line going to the upside, I'm figuring that it's might give us some resistance. It still might give us some resistance right now. We might be getting faked out. I'm not 100% sure. That's why I'm thinking that we want to watch these candles. If we can close above this trend line right here, that's going to be the bullish signal. I want to see us close above it and then get another green candle going to the upside, something like that. That's going to be some confirmation, I think. And then we can start looking at this area right here. If we could break out of this little area right here, but it does look pretty good. It does look like we're testing that downtrend right now with a green candle. It does look like we broke above the 9 moving average on the daily time frame yesterday, and it looks like we're getting another green candle now. I think that's a good sign. I'd rather be above the 9 moving average than below it, pretty much. Okay, so coming back to Ethereum, pretty cool. We hit our target. Let's see if we could break out of this zone right here and go into this zone over here, sitting at around 3615, or we have a target of approximately 3546. If you weren't following me, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with this TA. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.